Unbox the future.
Hi guys, welcome to Unbox the Future. You have to watch this video if you are a Samsung mobile user, Samsung smartphone user, especially if you are a user of the Samsung flagship phones, the S series phones, especially the S series phones. You must watch this video, guys. This is my review on the Samsung flagship phones after 2 years, and I am very much disappointed with the Samsung flagship phones. I've been using this phone from more than 2.5 years. The thing is, after the One UI update, you can see here, after the One UI version update, suddenly two green lines started popping up on my display of my Samsung S20 Plus 5G phone. You can see here, this is my Samsung S20 Plus 5G phone, cloud blue color. It's a 5G variant phone. You can take a closer look at my phone. There are no scratches, there are no dents. As you can take a closer look, as you can see here, you can see here clearly, there are no dents, there are no cracks to my phone. It just looks like a brand new phone, but I don't know from where these green lines started popping up on my screen. It suddenly became like this, and for this thing Samsung is not addressing properly. And even if Samsung is going to address this thing, the thing is, why do we need to buy such expensive phones, and after 2 years, with no mistake of ours, we're gonna see our screens like this? This is very bad, and this is very bitter truth of the Samsung flagship phones. You can clearly see on my phone there are two lines, two green lines. You can see here, right? There are two green lines on my phone, and I've tried multiple methods in order to get rid of these lines. I've tried booting up in safe mode, I've restarted it, I've reset the device to factory reset. I've done a lot of things, but still I'm seeing these two lines. And I've visited a Samsung care center, Samsung service center. The service center executive team are telling that to change my display, to change the display of my S20 Plus 5G phone. And in Indian rupees, this display itself of this phone costs around 18,000 rupees. Yeah, you're hearing me right. This, just the single change of the display for this phone cost me around 18k rupees for no fault of mine. And this is very bad remark on Samsung, especially the hardware changes they are making and the software changes they are making. They are making such kind of blunder mistakes, and we are using their flagship phones. Guys, this is for all my viewers of the channel. Whoever is viewing this video, kindly be aware when you buy a flagship phone of Samsung. Okay, please note that even the flagship phones, just due to a software update, may go into this condition, just due to a software update. So just think twice before you invest on a flagship phone, especially when you're going to buy a flagship phone of Samsung. Even if we go to the customer service center of Samsung and pay the 18,000 rupees and get this screen change, what is the guarantee that after another UI update these green lines won't pop up? There is no guarantee for that. And recently I've read an article regarding this green lines issue on Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus 5G phones, especially on the S20 series. I've read that Samsung customer service center is offering a free screen replacement if you don't have any dents or scratches and minor cracks on your phone. The phone should look clean like this. then the Samsung service center is going to replace the display of your phone for free. But I am very annoyed because even after replacing the screen, what if you get these green lines after one UI update or an Android update? That's my concern. So please guys, when you buy a Samsung flagship phone, please be aware and choose the best phone. Thank you.